As a local MLA, you have visited all the flood affected areas today, and particularly right now you are standing just in front of the river bank of Siang River, and you have seen the maximum erosion here. So, any particular observation from your side?
No, this is a natural disaster in waiting,
Right.
and we have right now witnessed, the soil is eroding as we are speaking.
Yes.
And if you see this, look at the river.
Right.
The Namsing village lost about 200,
More than
200 hectares
Yes.
in 20 years.
Right.
So at this rate, I think if we don't do some drastic, very strong measures, the whole area, the whole region will be gone in water in a few years. So I appeal the government and the authorities that something has to be done
Right.
immediately. Otherwise, it will be a big natural disaster.
Right.
I mean, the scale of erosion that's going on right now. As we are speaking, we can see the soil going away.
Right.
So this is an really big disaster in waiting. So something has to be done very quickly.
Yes. Thank you so much. As a गामबुरा, आप गामबुरा का तरफ से आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे गवर्नमेंट को कुछ?
नहीं, गवर्नमेंट को वो सर को एमएलए साहब को हम रिक्वेस्ट करवाए जैसा होने से भी 2-3 तो वो बारिश के दिन में इस पर बनाने के लिए
Yes.
हम लोग रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
Request करें. Okay. With us is also former Mebo MLA. Ralom Borang. He is also here right now. And he has a very close relation with the people of Namsing village, and he has been also monitoring about the flood situations here. Sir, what is your observation? Because the Mebo Dola road was already stepped off, and now more land are being eroded.
The first thing is I request our honorable MLA to immediately arrange fund and make temporary protection,
Yes.
or else we'll lose Namsing in another 2 to 3 years.
Right.
Because I've been in this riverside for many years,
Right.
and I've worked everything, and I know this place very well.
Right.
Actually, and then second is that you see, they people sing songs on the river Siang, but the river Siang is a very thing. It's a how do I put it? And it's a mystery for us
Yes.
because it's been eroding the land so fast.
Right.
So basically, and what we had a project earlier about a year back
Yes.
which failed.
Yes.
Wrong implementation and wrong planning.
Yes.
And that's the reason where people of Namsing and Borguli and are suffering, Saram are suffering
Yes.
because of just few errors that took place
Right.
of implementing, and planning and design also was faulty.
Right.
Because of that we are playing, and we have to now relook into it, and I request honorable MLA please do something.
Yes.
At least immediately fund some 3-4 months
Right.
and divert the river for temporary for this season.
Right.
And when winter season we'll see what we can do.
Right.
Because the getting fund is very difficult.
Right. Flood situation here in East Siang district.
Yeah.
So, what is your overall observation in 39 Mebo? You have been to these areas today.
39 Mebo, I think at this right now the flood situation is all right. It is not very dangerous,
Right.
but still we need to feel feared
Right.
to the public also. Give them a awareness. Also, we are coming here
Right.
to warn them that they should not be living in the nearby river.
Right.
Then there can be a loss of life
Right.
and poverty. So yeah, for that only for precautionary measure we are coming here.
Right. And sir, any particular message to the people of this left bank and right bank dwellers so that they should not take any risks venturing
No,
around?
message we have already given our DDMO, disaster management officer is also here.
Right.
So we have already given the warnings to people that not to venture in the river bank area this time because the water is very turbulent and it can be dangerous. So many people are going for a fishing also. That we have warned them.
Right.
Please don't go there.
Right.
Now there can be a loss of life.
Right. Sir. So right now we are on the bank of River Siang, and here we saw the continuous erosion, soil erosion taking place here in the lower part of Mebo. And with us is Mongubango ZPM Sri Gumuntang, and he being from this Namsing village, he knows how the extensive damages of Siang River have been taking place from last several years. Sir, यहाँ जो रोड कम्युनिकेशन कम्प्लीटली ऐसा पहले से डैमेज हुआ है और भी ले रहा है, तो ये सियांग का अभी डैमेजेस कितना तक है और आप गवर्नमेंट को आपका तरफ से कुछ मैसेज रहेगा?
हम लोग हमारा आज तो हमारा साथ में हम लोग का ऑनरेबल MLA 39 मैबो का
Yes.
और हम लोग का DC पासीघाट और ADC मैबो और हम लोग का डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट का डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर
Yes.
और पब्लिक लीडर गांव बुरा सब है।
Yes.
तो आज यहाँ में विजिट किया है तो हम बहुत अच्छा लगा है सबको।
Yes.
हम लोग का तरफ से मैं मेरे गाडोम नाम सिंह का तरफ से बहुत उन लोग को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और ये असल में हम लोग का ये रास्ता आप अभी देख रहा है, ये तो पहले यहाँ से थ्रू होके गया था।
Yes.
तो अभी बहुत ज़मीन हम लोग का इधर से चला गया।
Yes.
अभी और यहाँ में ज़मीन काट रहा है और इरोजन हो रहा है। अगर इसको हम लोग को प्रोटेक्शन अगर गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से कोई नहीं करने से
Yes.
तो हम लोग का नामसिंह बस्ती का नाम ही सब बस्ती चला जाएगा।
चला जाएगा।
हाँ, कट चला।
और ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को स्पेशली चीफ मिनिस्टर पेमा खांडू को कुछ मैसेज आपका तरफ से कुछ अपील रहेगा?
हाँ, अभी हम लोग पहले भी कुछ अपील दिया था, लेकिन अभी तक कुछ यहाँ में हम लोग का यहाँ में कोई मेगा प्रोजेक्ट अभी तक नहीं किया है फ्लड प्रोटेक्शन का। तो हम लोग का जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है पेमा खांडू जी से भी हम लोग करेगा, ये रिक्वेस्ट करेगा जैसे भी हम लोग का यहाँ में सियांग फ्लड कंट्रोल के लिए एक तो बड़ा वाला फ्लड प्रोटेक्शन वर्क हम लोग को देने से जैसे जैसे हम लोग ये बसाने के लिए तो हम लोग कोशिश करेगा हम लोग सीएम सर तक पहुंचाने के लिए।
Thank you so much. Thank you. With us is East Siang Disaster Management Officer. Sir, your good name please?
Thampatashi, Titashi.
Titasi. Sir, as a district disaster management officer, what is the flood situations, overall flood situation here in East Siang district, particularly in Mabo, and what you have observed so far?
So today is the 1st of July 2024.
Yes.
So we have been receiving red alert for our East Siang district
Right.
since last 2 days from our district SEOC actually,
Yes.
State Emergency Operations Center and IMD.
Right.
That is weather report,
Right.
which are forecasting the weathers.
Right.
So we are receiving the red alerts for our. As soon as we get the red alerts and we have experienced a heavy to heavy rainfall in our district, so we have alerted all the peoples in, especially in Pasigat area, where the vulnerable areas are there. So we have gone all the vulnerable areas and make announcement through announcement, and we have make awareness to all the people residing in the nearby the rivers.
Right.
And today we have visited here in Mewa subdivision
Right.
with our honorable MLA sir and deputy commissioner sir.
Right.
So we have took stock of the flood situation in all the Mewa area,
Right.
and we have witnessed that many soil erosion are taking place over here in especially in the bank of this young river.
Oh yes.
So the need of the hour is, especially I would like to appeal the public, especially residing in nearby this young river, that they should be very alert, and they should know what to do during if any untoward incident happen. I mean to say that if the course of Siang river will come very near to your villages, then what to do?
Yes.
So first of all, you should go to the safer place.
The army officials from Likabali and Sigar, the military centers of Likabali and Sigar under Eastern district, they have also carried out a special evacuation drive to the people of Siboguri village, stranded here just in the downstream. So the army officials who have rescued and evacuated the people, the villagers, they are right now here. We will talking to Major Sarat. He will be telling us how the evacuation were done and how many people they have rescued so far. So how many people you have evacuated so far, and from how long this operation has been going on?
This operation is happening from last 3 days. This is the third day, and we are established our camp here, and we have our medical facility, cook house, and our life-saving equipment are here, boat, OBM, and life jacket. Whenever there is a requirement, we get a requisition from the civil administration. We started our mobilization, and we established the camp here. Along with me, there are 2 more officers are here. Major Angad Singh is the column commander, and Major Ajay Singh Rajput, he is also here.
Right.
And I am from engineers, so we are providing the engineer assistance to the column.
Okay. So far, how many people, how many villages you have evacuated?
Along with the SDRF, till now there are 36 evacuation happens, and today also from the Shivang village, our party of 2 officers and 6 other ranks, they already reached there.
Yes.
They are rescuing people from there. In few minutes they will be reaching here.
Okay. So what is the plus situation there?
We are providing medical assistance also, and we are catering them food and all other necessary items along with us.
Yes. Okay. And from their side, they have said that they are taking the preventive measures and they are checking around, finding out all the possible affected areas during this monsoon season. And we just behind us is the Star Tamak River, and it is important to mention here that this remain abandoned in between the river is a Tartamak bridge, and it was half constructed before, and because of this rise of water level here in Tartamak, the communication in the lower part like Mayor, Gadum, all these villages are completely affected, and to check out these communication issues, the local MLA Okentang and the East Siang Deputy Commissioner have visited, and in near days we hope that after completion of this Krit to this Mayor Gadum road, especially it is on the process. Once it is completed, the communication will be better. So during this monsoon, East Siang Deputy Commissioner have also requested and appeal to the people not to venture around the river bank side, because during this monsoon there is every likelihood of lodging loss of life.